Hey, wanted to show you this tabletop organizer valet. I received this as a gift from the company so that I could show you how you can use this. I have my husband's things in this, and as you can see, it does rotate, and it's got a lot of different size compartments here that you can put different things. So it was really easy to put together. Just a couple of different pieces with a couple of screws, no problem. I'll show you what that looks like. But it just is a really neat thing. It's for men or women. It comes in black or white, and it holds a lot. I mean, I have maybe only half of what it could probably hold. So, and like I said, different size compartments. So let me show you what we did. Okay, here are all the pieces. They came wrapped separately, and I did refer to the included instructions a few times, but for the most part, it just was very easy to put together, and now it's ready to go. Hey, if you like this video and if you'd like to see more, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.